che l'amore tuo non muore, è come il sole d'oro.
Excuse the lack of furniture. But this is me. This is the Pacifica in Auckland, New Zealand. Take a look for yourself. Gotta thank the man upstairs. Without him, this would not be possible. But this is gonna be me. This is me right here. Today's just a bunch of rubbish. Gotta wait for some contractor to come fix some things and all that good stuff. But tomorrow I'll be moving in officially, making this place look pretty, getting all the rubbish out of here. All the random stuff. Nice little TV. So check back in tomorrow and you'll see what this looks like. Because the view, a lot of potential. By the way, what kind of weather is this in Auckland for winter? You would not think it's July right now. Anyway, check back in tomorrow. Speak soon.
Sul mio cammino tu m'accompagni e segui il mio destino. Cara, ti voglio tanto bene. Non ho nessuno al mondo più cara di te.
So it took a few days to get set up. Although this looks like nothing, just moving your stuff in here is actually quite a process. But we're here now, we're set up. We've got the lights, we've got the boxing. Wait, let me show you this. Without the slide on. Wowzers. Wow. Very lucky. Here is my office. No chair as of yet. I just got a standing desk. I'm using one of these chairs over here. But oh my goodness, what an office. Office, view, north facing. So we got sun all day. See the reflection. But this is awesome. This is what you want in a home office, or at least this is what I want, and this is what I've got. So I'm very grateful, very happy, very thankful. I'm just ready for the future, man. I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to produce a lot of content, a lot of ads, a bunch of sales calls. I want to take a bunch more sales calls here. I want to film a bunch more ads, produce a lot of content. I think for my prospects at a kind of the broader funnel, one of the main videos I'm going to produce is a entire Facebook ads program, pretty much from A to Z. That's going to be the first thing I'm going to do. Again, just for top of funnel, broad kind of campaign. So all residential contractors that are interested in my services can engage. But man, this is just part of life, you know? Stuff happens. Good things happen, bad things happen. And this is one of the good things for me. I'm living in the city, which is something I did actually in 2022, from November 4th, I believe, to January 6th. From November 4th, 2022 to May 6th, 2023, I lived on Nelson Street in Auckland City. So pretty much the other side of the city from where I'm at now. Now I'm by the water. Before I was kind of on the skirts of the city. But this is my first night sleeping here, and I think it's gonna be a place I want to stay long term. Center of the city, close to everything. I'm not gonna show you guys in this video, but if you could see the gym downstairs, spa pool, sauna, steam room, swimming pool, we got a media room, business rooms that you can book, a business lounge you can book. What else is there in this? Barbecues, another business lounge. There's just a lot of stuff. We've got cafes at the bottom, all that good stuff. So, what I'm getting at is this place is fucking sick. As you can see, to my left here, your right, is what was meant to be the tallest residential building in the country. That was never completed. It was meant to be completed in 2024. Not this one. This one. Not that one. Not this one. That one in there. See the bottom of it right there, above my finger? That's a seascape building. You can thank China Construction for that going out of business. Or you can thank the people that didn't pay China Construction. My apologies. But I need to ask you guys, what do you want from me, from this channel? I make this channel to document my journey, to tell you the problems I face on a day-to-day basis, to share the good experience I have, the wins I have in business. And I want to ask you guys, what do you want from me? Is there anything you want to know from an entrepreneur that's probably quite similar to you? Regular kid, regular guy, grew up with probably a bunch of limiting beliefs that potentially you have right now, and just realize that nothing is holding you back and you can do what you want to do. So the step that I've taken is running a bunch of ads for a bunch of years, getting a bunch of clients for a bunch of years, and it didn't come easy, it didn't come quick, but now I'm living in a beautiful place like this, and I'm very happy and I'm very grateful. But this is only the beginning. So I want to ask you, what do you want from me? How can I best serve you? Because the same way I serve my clients and I try to make sure that they're getting a phenomenal service, I want to make sure you guys are entertained or educated from this content. I don't want you just mindlessly watching this content. I want you to actually learn something. I want you to take some inspiration from it. Or I want you to feel some type of way. Simple as that. So if you are interested in giving me content ideas, please do so. Comment it down below. After you leave a like, of course. But no, I appreciate all the feedback. I'm going to read all the comments and I'll reply to your comment if I think it's a good comment. And if I think it's a dreadful comment, I'll reply to it as well, actually. But yeah, if you guys want a gym tour or some shit, I can do that. Aside from that, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. Appreciate you guys.